Good day, my dear students. For today's video, we're going to talk about Euclidean algorithm and writing the results in a linear combination form. So just a little background po, Euclidean algorithm is a systematic method of finding the greatest common divisor of two integers. Also, it states that the greatest common divisor of two integers is the last non-zero remainder of the successive division. So, di ba po kung maalala nyo in our lower year levels, na-discuss na po natin ang iba't ibang paraan ng pagkuha ng GCD or the greatest common divisor. So meron po tayong continuous division, meron po tayong tree diagram, meron po tayong mga distinct method. So pero ito naman po ay iba naman pong pag-atake sa pagkuha ng greatest common divisor. And actually, this is very important to know for learning higher number theory concepts such as linear Diophantine equation and such. So let's start. Okay, to illustrate how this algorithm works, let's have this example. Find the GCD of 154 and 803. So first things first, yung pinakamalaki pong number, siya po yung pinaka-leftmost. So we have here 803 is equal to 154 times, so ibig sabihin, i-divide po muna natin itong dalawa. So we have here 803 divided by 154. And that will give us, ang kailangan lang po natin dito is yung whole number. So 5. Ilalagay po natin dito 5 plus ano po yung magiging remainder kapag ito po i-minus natin dito. We have here 154 times 5, that is 770. Now 803 minus answer is equal to 33. So, ibig sabihin, yung remainder po natin is 33. So, ano pong ibig sabihin yan? 803 daw po is equal to 154 times 5 plus 33. So, si 33 po, siya po yung pinaka-remainder po dito. So, now, since nagamit na po natin ito naman pong gagamitin natin. 154 and 33. So we have here 154 is equal to 33. So sa pinakamalaki naman po yung gagamitin natin sa left, and si 33 po na dating remainder ang gagawin na po nating multiplicand. Times, gamit po ulit tayo ng calculator. So 154 divided by 33 is 4.6. Pero 4 lang po yung kakailanganin natin. So we have here 33 times 4 is equal to 132. 154 minus answer natin kanina, that is 22. Plus 22. Ngayon po, ang kakailanganin na po natin is ito na po uli na dalawa. So we have here 33 is equal to 22 times 1. Kasi 1 lang naman po. Pag itino natin siya, magiging 4 na po siya. Plus 11. Ngayon po, ito na po yung gagamitin natin. So we have 22 is equal to 11 times 2 plus 0. Ngayon po, in our definition, yun daw pong GCD ng dalawang number is the last non-zero. So dito po, ang pinaka-last non-zero po is 11. So therefore, the GCD of 154 and 803 is... Now, paano naman po natin ito gagamitin as a linear combination? Now, let's try to write this one in a linear combination form. So, di ba po, ito po yung naging basis ng answer po natin. Ito din po yung magiging starting point natin on writing the linear combination. 11 is equal to 33 minus 22 times 1. Kung baga, ito, ginamitan lang natin ito ng subtractive property of equality para mailipat natin doon sa kabila. So, naging siyang 33 minus 22 times 1. So, kung makikita nyo po, di ba po may 22 tayo dito? Ibig sabihin, gagamitin din po natin lahat itong nasa taas niya hanggang marating po natin yung 154 at 803. At pag narating na po natin yun, na wala na pong number 33 and 22 na kasama sila, ibig sabihin tapos na po yung process. So we have here 11 is equal to 33 minus 1, pagpalitin lang po natin. Ito pong dalawa, times 22. So, si 22 po nandito. So, pwede natin siyang gamitin as 154 minus 33.4. 33 times 4 po pala yan. Then, we need to distribute. So, we have here 11 is equal to 33 minus 1 times 154. Negative times negative, that is positive. 1 times 4, that is 4 times 33. So, kung makikita nyo po, yung mga iminumultiply ko po, yung mga multiplicand lang, hindi po yung roots na makikita mo dito or the remainders po. So, now, pwede na po nating ma-combine like terms. So, we have here 4 times 33 and 1 times 33. So, dito po kasi meron siya parang invisible na number 1. So, we have here 1 point or 1 times. So, now let's proceed po. So, we have here 11 is equal to combined like terms po nitong dalawa. So, we have here 5 times 33 minus 1.54. Ito pong 33 is meron pa rin po siya dito na value. So, ibig sabihin, we will change that on its equivalent po dito. So, we have 11 is equal to 5 times the quantity. Ano po yung 30? Ano po yung equivalent ni 33 dito po? So, that is 803 minus 154 times 5 minus 1 times 154. Ngayon po, distribute po ulit. 11 is equal to 5 times 803 minus 5 times 5, that is 25 times 154 minus 1.154. So, combine like terms lang po itong dalawa kasi magkaparehas pa rin naman po siya na 154 yung last. So, we will have negative 25 minus 1, that is 26 point or times 154 and is equal to 5 times 803 is equal to 11. Ngayon po, ito pong last, yan po ang tinatawag natin na linear combination ng answer po natin. Ngayon, i-check po natin kung ang 5 times 803 minus 26 times 154 is really 11. So, let's have our calculator po ulit. The quantity, 5 times 803 minus the quantity 26 times 154 should have an equivalent of 11. Opo. So, 11 po. So, meaning to say, yung linear combination po natin is tama. For our next example naman po, we have the problem, find the GCD of 32 and 412. So, first things first, isulat po natin yung 412 sa pinakagilid kasi po siya po yung pinakamataas times 32 times 412 divided by 32, that will give us 12. So, ibig sabihin po 12 po yung ilalagay natin dito times 12 plus, so we have here 412 minus the quantity 32 times 12. So, the answer will be our remainder. So, 28 po siya. Ngayon, si 32 naman po yung isusulat natin dito sa gilid at si 28 naman po doon sa right side. Times. So, ibig sabihin, iwa-1 lang po natin ito. 1 plus, calculator po ulit, 32 minus 28. That will give us 4. And si 28 naman po and si 4, yung ilalagay natin dito po sa magkabilang gilid. Times, balik po ulit tayo sa calculator natin. 28 divided by 4, that will give us 7. Since ito pong 4, siya po yung last na non-zero. So therefore, this is the GCD. The GCD of 32 and 412 is 4. So ngayon po, ang kakailanganin nating line is ito po. So we have 4 is equal to 32 minus 28 times 1. So si 28 po, meron pa po siyang equivalent dito. So we have here 4 is equal to 32 minus 1 times, ano po yung magiging equivalent niya? 412 minus 32 times 12. So, ito po, pwede na po natin siyang i-distribute. So, we will have 4 is equal to 32 minus 1 point or times 412. Negative times negative, that will be positive. So, positive 32 times 12. Now, since parehas po silang may 32 dito, ibig sabihin ito po, meron po siyang invisible number 1. So we have here 1 point or 1 times 32. 1 plus 12, that is 13. So we will have 13 times 32 minus 1 times 412 is equal to 4. So let us check. Ngayon po, makikita nyo po kung tapos na yung process kapag po yung dalawang numbers sa problem na sinosolve natin is nandito na po sa final answer natin. So we have here 32 and 412. Nandito na po silang dalawa at wala na pong ibang remainders. So ibig sabihin tapos na po ang process natin. So first, let's check po kung tama po yung ginawa natin. So we have here 13 times 32 minus the quantity 1 times 412. The answer should be 4. 4 yung sagot. So therefore, our process is correct. For our last example, medyo malaki-laki po siyang number. But nevertheless, let us try to answer it. We have here 10,672 is equal to 4,147 times, punta muna po tayo sa ating calculator para i-divide 10,672 divided by 4,147. So that will give us 2. So yung 2 lang po yung kailangan nating whole number. Plus, ilan po yung magiging remainder kapag i-divide po natin sila. 4,147 times 2 is equal to 8,294. Now, 10,672 minus the answer, which will give us 2,378. Now, ito na po yung gagamitin natin na dalawang magkasunuran. So, we have 4,147 is equal to 2,378 times. So, balik po ulit tayo sa ating calculator. We have 4,147 divided by 2,378. That will give us 1. So, ibig sabihin, 1 lang po yung gagamitin natin. 1 plus yung remainder po natin. Kailangan po nating malaman. So, 2,378 times 1 is equal to, then 4,147 minus the answer. That will give us 1,769. 1,769. Ngayon po, ito naman po yung gagamitin natin. 2,378 is equal to 1,769 times 1 po yan for sure kasi po wala naman pong ibang pwede. Pag iti-times 2, masyadong malaki. So, pero let's try pa rin po natin for assurance. So, 2,378, I mean, 1,769, 2,378 divided by 1,769, that will give us 1 po. So, ngayon po, ima-minus na lang natin para makuha natin yung remainder. 2,378 minus 1,769. which will give us 609. So we will have here plus 609. Ngayon po, ito naman na pong dalawa yung gagamitin natin. So we have here 1,769 is equal to 609. So 1,769 divided by 609 is equal to 2. So, i-multiply po natin siya by 2. Plus 609 times 2 is equal to 1,212, 1,769 minus the answer is equal to 551. So, yun po yung magiging remainder natin. So, ito na po yung gagamitin natin ulit. So, 609 is equal to 5,551. 551. Times 600 divided by 551, that will give us 1 po ulit. So, we will have this 1. Plus, ma-minus lang po natin si 609 minus 551. So, that will give us 58. So, 551 is equal to 58 times 551 divided by 58, that will give us 9. So, 9 na po yung isusulat natin dito. Plus 58 times 9, that will give us 522. So, 551 minus the answer is equal to 29. So, we will write here 29. So, 58 and 29 naman po yung gagamitin natin is equal to 58 divided by 29, that is 2. So, eksakto po siya. So, meaning to say, ang remainder po natin is 0. So, we will have here 2 plus 0. So, now, gagamitin po natin si 29 is equal to 551 minus 58.9. So, ngayon po, alam po natin na pwede natin gamitin si 58. So, 29 is equal to 551 minus 9 times 58. That is 609 minus 551 times 1. So, now let us distribute po. So, 29 is equal to 551 minus 9 times 609. Negative times negative, that will give us positive. So, positive 9 times 551. Now, let us combine these two. So, di ba po, ito meron siyang invisible 1. So, that will give us 29 is equal to 10 times 551 minus 9 times 609. Ngayon po, alam po natin na si 609 is meron po siyang equivalent dito. So, 29 is equal to 10 times 551 minus 9 times 2,378 minus 1,769 times 1. So we will distribute again. So 29 is equal to 10 times 551 minus 9 times 2,378. That will give us 9 times 2,378. Then, ito po, distribute po din natin. Negative 9 times negative 1, that is positive 9 times 1,769. So, kung makikita nyo po, wala po siyang ka-equivalent na pwedeng i-combine. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin itong gamitan ng mga equivalent dito. So, dito po siyang line. So, we have 29 is equal to 10 times what is the equivalent of 551? That is 1,769 minus 609 times 2 minus 9 times 2,378 plus 9 times 1,769. So we need to distribute this. Opo. So we have 29 is equal to 10 times 1,769 minus 2 times 10, that is 20 times 609 minus 9 times 2,378 plus 9 times 1,769. Then combine like terms po. So we have 29 is equal to 19 times 1,769 minus combine like terms din po. Negative 20 minus, hindi po pala tayo Then, hanap po tayo ng kaparehas. Wala na pong kaparehas. So, meaning to say, copy lang po natin yan. So, now, hanap po ulit tayo ng mga pwedeng kaparehas. Ito po, si 609, pwede natin gamitan dito. So, 29 is equal to 19 times 1,769 minus 20 times 609 is equal to 2,378 minus dito po 1,769 times 1. Minus ito pong 9 times 2, 3, 7, 8. So now let's distribute. So we have here 29 is equal to 19 times 1,769 minus 20 times 2,378 minus, so hindi pa po siya tapos. So negative times negative, that is positive. So positive 20 times 1,769 minus 9 times 2,378. Ngayon po, combine like terms na po natin kasi may mga pwede na po tayong i-combine. So just like for example, ito po at ito, pwede natin itong i-combine. So 20 plus 19, that is actually equal to 39. 39 times 1,769 minus ito po, i-combine natin dito. Negative 20 minus negative 9, that is negative 29 times 2,378. Ngayon po, i-judge na po natin kung yun lang po ba yung pwede natin gamitin. Actually, meron pa po, di ba po? Kasi ito pong 1,769 and 2,378 ay hindi pa po nakakatapos dito. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pa po natin siyang i-expand. Is equal to 39 times 1,769. So, pwede natin itong gamitin. Ito po. So, we have 4,147 minus 2,378 times 1 minus 29 times 23, 2,378. So, distribute po ulit. So, we have 29 is equal to 39 times 4,147 minus 39 times 1, that is 39, times 2,378 minus 29 times 2,378. 29 is equal to 39 times 4,147 minus 39 plus negative 39 minus negative 29, that is negative 68. So we have 68 here times 2,378. So meron na po tayong isa which is 4,147. Pero yun po 2,378 ay hindi po natin kasama sa problem. So ibig sabihin pwede pa rin natin siyang i-expand. So we have here 29 is equal to 39 times 4,147 minus 68 times the quantity 10,672 minus 4,147 times 2. So now let's distribute po. We have here 29 is equal to 39 times 4,147 minus 68 times 168 times 1. That will give us negative 68 times 10,672 minus negative 68 times negative 2, that is positive 136 times 4,147. Ngayon po, we can combine like terms. Ito pong dalawang. So we have 136 plus 39. That will give us 175 times 4,147 is minus 68 times 10,672. Ngayon po, since ito pong 10,672 and 4,147 are the numbers that we have in our problem, meaning to say, ito na po yung linear combination na hinahanap natin. Now, let's check po if these two, when multiplied and be subtracted to this, will result to 29. So we have 175 times 4,147 is equal to minus the quantity 68 times 10,672. That will give us 29. So meaning to say, this linear combination is already done and we satisfy po the linear combination. So ito po yung linear combination natin and this is our GCD. So that's it for today, my dear students. Alam ko po na nakaka-overwhelm ito pong mga pangyayari sa Euclidean algorithm kasi masyado po siyang mahaba. But still, kayang-kaya po nating isolve yan once na naging organized lang po tayo sa pagsosolve. So that's it for today, my dear students. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button below and of course, share this video to your friends and your family. So that's it for today, my dear students. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being with me today and see you on my next video.